We are very committed to developing very compassionate nurses who will help fill the workforce for nursing. My name is Cindy Smith, and I am the Director of Nursing at Arkansas State University Beebe's nursing programs. A variety of things that set our programs apart. The one thing that comes to my mind is the quality of nursing students that we produce. We have traditionally had very high pass rates on the NCLEX exam, which is the national exam that our students take to receive their licensure. We also have a great demand for our students in the healthcare setting. They tend to stand out. They are very knowledgeable, very compassionate, and very dedicated to the job that they perform.
My name is Kyle Estes. I'm fourth term in the Licensed Practical Nurse program here at ASU-Beebe. I originally wasn't even considering nursing as a career. I just come out of law enforcement, and watching my wife's friend and listening to her stories and what she was doing really got me thinking about what I wanted to do, which is I really enjoyed helping people. And when I heard what a positive experience she had here at ASU-Beebe, piqued my interest in the program.
I'm Sarah Taylor, the Director of a Medical Surgical Unit at Unity Health. So some of the things that we see that stand out for their students is during their rotations, just their eagerness to learn, their character, things like that we look for in people who we want to work with.